Are you looking for a way to increase your income while still having the freedom to work from anywhere and on your own terms? Look no further than freelancing. Freelancing is one of the easiest and most flexible ways to start earning money online in just minutes. With the rise of online platforms, finding freelancing opportunities has never been easier. Identify your skills, determine the unique skills and experience that you can offer as a freelancer. This could be anything from writing and graphic design to web development and social media management. Choose the right platform. Choose a platform that is right for your skills and experience, such as Upwork or Fiverr. Create a professional profile. Create a professional profile that showcases your skills and experience, and include a portfolio of your work. Market yourself. Utilize social media and networking to market yourself and find freelancing opportunities. Negotiate rates. Negotiate rates that are fair for both you and the client. Remember to take into account the amount of time and effort you will be putting into the project. Manage your time. Manage your time effectively to balance multiple projects and meet deadlines. Provide excellent service. Provide excellent service to build trust and a positive reputation with your clients. Continuously improve. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge to stay competitive in the freelancing market. In conclusion, freelancing is a great way to start earning money online in minutes. By identifying your skills, choosing the right platform, and providing excellent service, you can turn your freelancing hobby into a profitable business. So why wait? Start your freelancing journey today and take control of your income and schedule.